Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Business Brains. Today we're diving into how artificial intelligence is revolutionizing data security. In a world where cyber threats are more sophisticated than ever, AI is becoming an essential tool to keep our information safe. Let's get into it. So, what makes AI so powerful in cybersecurity? Traditional methods often struggle to keep up with evolving threats, but AI has the ability to analyze vast amounts of data in real time. It can detect patterns that would take humans hours or even days to notice, identifying potential risks as they happen. AI-powered security systems are continuously learning, which means they're always improving at identifying and countering new types of attacks. AI also plays a huge role in threat detection. Let's say a company is experiencing unusual login attempts. AI can recognize this pattern and automatically flag it or even block the access attempt. By using machine learning, these systems can adapt to new tactics that hackers use, making it much harder for malicious activity to go unnoticed. AI basically acts like a 24/7 security guard for our data. We're already seeing AI at work in real-world applications, like banks using it to verify transactions, e-commerce sites employing AI to detect fraud, and even social media platforms using AI to prevent unauthorized access. Businesses worldwide are investing in AI-driven cybersecurity to protect both their assets and your personal information. As AI continues to advance, so will our data security. While no system is perfect, AI is helping us stay one step ahead in the fight against cyber threats. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates on AI in business. Thanks for watching AI Business Brains, and stay secure out there.